Hey, I'm Corey Damen Jenkins, and this is
Design Reimagined.
In my childhood, I had two major obsessions, designing rooms and superheroes. Superheroes come to a ledge of a building and they take flight.
Here's how I summoned my inner superhero to take flight.
It was 2007. I was laid off from my job in the automotive industry, and it was the dead of winter in Detroit during the Great Recession. That's when I decided to pursue my dream of becoming an interior designer. How? By knocking on literally 1,000 doors in search of my first client. I got chased by dogs, stopped by the cops. I trudged through the snow, but months into my quest, something magical happened. Door number 779 opened, and I found my first client. A few months later, I was selected to compete on HGTV's Showhouse Showdown, and I won, and my design career was born. Now I have a thriving design firm in the heart of New York City, the #1 masterclass in the design category, and a best-selling book. But you know what? This isn't about me. This is about you. I'm here to tell you that you have a design superhero inside of you too. The mission of my channel? To offer life-changing content to help you grow your design superpowers so that you can create incredible spaces for yourself and live a more balanced, beautiful, healthy life. Ready to unleash the superhero inside you? Join me on
Design Reimagined.